This is the procedure for removing the horizontal shaft. Remove the drain plug and release the lubricant from inside the gear case. Remove the gear case cover. Disconnect the motor. If the electrical connections are incorrect when you perform assembly, the motor may run in reverse. Be sure to make a note of the correct connection numbers. Set the chain block on the motor and remove the 4 bolts to remove the motor. Next, remove the connecting tubes from the gear pump. Using a hexagonal rod spanner, remove the 4 bolts that fasten the gear pump to loosen and remove the gear pump. Using the hexagonal rod spanner again, loosen the screw with the safety joint attached and remove the screw and safety joint together. Remove the 2 bolts fastening the bearing retainer. Remove the 4 bolts fastening the large bearing housing. Screw the push bolts into the 2 push bolt grooves on the large bearing housing. Remove the large bearing housing. Remove the friction pulley mounted on the motor. Set the lock washers to prevent turning, then loosen the bearing nuts and remove the bearing nuts and lock washers. Set the disassembly jack, push bolts and hexagonal bolts in the friction pulley and shut the handle. Release the horizontal shaft from the friction pulley. Release the entire horizontal shaft from the gear pump. At this point, if the horizontal shaft is difficult to release by hand, place a wooden slat or similar item next to the friction pulley and gently tap the horizontal shaft. The horizontal shaft should release easily. When tapping, be sure to press in the opposite direction with your hand. If the horizontal shaft drops onto the spiral gear, damage may occur. This completes the release of the horizontal shaft.